How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Bluehost Basic and Bluehost Plus, and we'll be going over the key features of both plans and ultimately deciding which is the better option depending on what application you're looking to use it for. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports the channel. Now back to the video. So if you guys want to see the key differences between the two plans, you'd want to log into your Bluehost account, obviously. So once you guys find yourselves on the dashboard, we're going to go over to domains and we'll be accessing the plan configuration from there. So once you guys click on the domains tab, you want to head over to the websites tab, and here is where you'll find all of your registered domains on Bluehost. And for obvious reasons, I'm going to censor the details pertaining to our domains, but I'll show you guys just how to access the plan configuration. So it would normally be listed here, all of your registered domains, and all you have to do is click on settings, like so, and then right below the domain that you selected, there should be a list that says hosting plan, and right below that says WordPress basic hosting plan. So if you click on the button next to it that says upgrade plan, the website will bring up this window right here. So let me get this little bar out, the sensor bar out of the way, and here we are. So here's the WordPress basic hosting plan, as well as the plus hosting plan. So right away, you can see the key differences between the two. And if you get the hosting plan, it'll set you back by £38 a year and 10 gigabytes of SSD storage. You have one site or one domain and 1 year of free SSL. So you get the free security with it. Whereas if you go for the plus hosting plan, which is a little less than double the price of the basic hosting plan, you get double the storage and 10 gig, or rather I should say, yeah, that's it, just double the storage, so 20 gigabytes of SSD storage, and then you would also have the ability to host 2 websites and free SSL with no time limit, as well as a malware scan. So this one's good. So if you're doing like maintenance on your website to make sure that no malware has entered your system, then obviously this is a plan to go for, and Yoast SEO free. So at the end of the day, it's going to depend on what you want to use it for, but yeah, that's the main difference between basic and plus. So right before we end the video here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that you can get 75% off your first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So with all of that said, hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.